said, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both.
Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I went to the gym and I did a glute workout video, and here goes nothing. I got this, what's it called? Resistance band from Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below. I got like 3 of them and it was like super duper cheap. This is the medium one. So what I'm doing right now is some glute activation before I get into the actual workout. I'm just doing some regular squats, and I'm going pretty fast at them. I think I did about 20. So do as much as you want to before you actually do your workout so you can get your booty, warmed up. I shouldn't have did that tongue flick. What am I thinking? Yeah, and it doesn't matter if you want to go slower, if you want to go faster. This step is just about activating your glutes. And this time I'm doing like crab walks. I don't think I did them right, but I felt them in my butt, and it felt right. And then I jumped back into the squats. I just wanted to show you what it looked like from the front, and I tried to drive it, like, push, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I really tried to, do some action with this activation. And then I went into the crab walks again.
Long as we got down with these niggas, I don't love these niggas, I dust off these niggas, do it for fun, don't take it personally. I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas.
So right now I'm just gonna keep activating. I don't remember what these workouts are called, but as you can see in the video, you're going in and out with your legs and you're squeezing as you do this. And honestly, I don't know if I'm doing it right. Yeah, you can't really mess up on this one, to be honest. But it feels really good on my on the side of my butt cheeks. So keep doing that and keep activating before your workout. You can see it in my face that this is honestly killing me, yo. But it feels so good. So just keep pushing through. Do as many as you can.
Y'all, I mean, give you the best time. You feel be me soldier. Fight for your baby. You know, give it up easy. When you love somebody, you know, give it up easy. When you love someone, have a dance with me, baby. Take a break from work now.
What do I do next? Oh, yeah. If you do these little sidekick things, I'm so sorry, but these names I'm not going to have for the warm-up part. I can't remember what they're called. But again, this is just going to keep activating the side parts of my butt. And yeah, I just held on to an imaginary wall. I think after this, I jump into the actual workout. So yeah. So right now, I'm about to do some hip thrusts, and honestly, these are one of the most amazing workouts to do if you really want to build your glutes. I'm trying to do them in the beginning because what I notice is that when I do them in the end, I'm just tired, like I'm honestly burnt out. So I've recently tried to do my favorite and hardest workouts in the beginning so I can put a lot of strength into it. Because when I'm doing kickbacks or when I'm doing like some like vertical hip thrusts with the rope, it's not really that demanding on my body, but the hip thrusts and squats are really demanding. So if you can do the heavier, harder ones first and give them all your energy, then honestly that'll help a lot. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna do are deadlifts. And when you do this, you want to squeeze your butt. You want to have the ugly duck butt. You want your butt to be just ugly. And that's why I have my hoodie hiding my butt, because there's so many people. I just didn't want to show it. But yeah, you want to make sure that your back is also parallel and that your chin is down. And I'm sorry I have a terrible angle, but I lost the footage. So, yeah.
To the left, make it jump to the right. Make it move back, it job link like a car light. Indicate a body for a man type. Pum a big like 64 megabyte. Left side.
So in this one, we're squatting, but we're basically sitting down. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm pretty sure in the slide before this one you saw the name. But I don't really like to do this a lot. It's just that my squat rack was very busy today. I don't know why my school's gym is always so busy. So for me, this is the second next best. And you really want to try to not like straighten your knees out. You want to always have like a bend in your knees because you don't want to injure yourself in any way. Also squeeze your booty. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Yeah. I know it probably looks like my knees are going straight down in this clip, but I promise you they aren't. I do have a bend in my knee when I'm recording this clip. So make sure your knee is at some form of angle when you're doing this, because again, you don't want to just like completely lock your knee and have some type of injury. That will be pretty bad, and then you won't be able to work out.
Girl, I me give you the best time. You feel be me soldier. Fight for your baby. You know give it up easy. When you love somebody, you know give it up easy.
So for this one, I'm on the hip abduction machine, and I see this position a lot on Instagram, so I decided to try it out one of these days. And I really liked it. I felt more burn in my glutes than if I was just sitting down and sitting back, which I do like to do on some occasions. But this one, I just really, really, really like to like elevate myself a little and hold on to the side. And as you can see, my phone is about to fall because people kept dropping their weights in the gym. That had me tight. But you know, whatever. So here I go again. You keep going, keep pushing through, squeeze as much as you can when you get to like the maximum or the end part of a specific set. You know what I mean? Just squeeze at the end of every movement you're making. There we go, that's better. And I'm tired. I'm really tired. And I'm tired of all these people in the gym. They are too much. But anyways, yeah.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance.
So this one is that horizontal vertical. This one is that vertical hip thrust that I'm telling you about. I really like doing this one, and I think the machine where the rope is attached to could have been lower, but hey, I was still feeling it in my butt. At this part right here, you want to squeeze and hold for a couple seconds. So squeeze and hold. Squeeze and hold. Bend and snap. Bend and snap. You ever watch Legally Blonde? That was a funny clip. But yeah. Okay, looking thick. Okay. Right here I'm taking off my rope, Jesus. Right here I'm taking off my jacket, hoodie, to show you the ugly squeeze that I was telling you guys. Like, I hate this squeeze, but it is essential. It is essential for glute gains. You gotta squeeze and make your butt look ugly in the gym. That's a fact. Oh my god, was I too far? I probably was. Anyways, yeah.
I'm trying to keep my faith. We on a ultralight beam. We on a ultralight beam. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is everything. You
To the things me love. Me never see a girl when me love so much. Take off your black panty, baby, and make we go purple touch. Then over, baby, feed the cocky eye. Me slap up your body dry. Do whatever.
Okay, so this is the last workout right here, and these are kickbacks. These are my favorite workouts, and like I said, these are for me the easier ones to do. I used to love doing them in the beginning, and then I'm just like, all right, let me try switching it up, doing this at the end so I can put more focus on ones that take a lot more out of me. But this is so much fun. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I love it, and I love the way my gluteus maximus is looking in the video. Yeah, sometimes, well, most of the times I'll probably have a hoodie tied around my waist, but yeah. Also, another thing that I really try hard to do is squeeze at the top of the kick, but it's really hard. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more lit videos. Bye.